Okay, so I graded your nutrition wrap-ups and they were all very good. The only thing I would say is for comparing the foods, just remember that mixed tocopherols are good preservatives, and then BHA or BHT are bad preservatives.
Where are the fruit bags at?
So if you want to go ahead and start your nutrition project, that's what we're going to do today. So you'll need a couple of things. One is your calculations that you have in your notes. Another is your pet food analysis, which I'm going to send a picture. All of you guys did perfectly on that, so I'll send a picture of each of yours. And we're going to go ahead and start a project. You need to pick a dog or a cat, no other creatures. So you'll put the name, species, so canine or feline, weight, if you can take the weight at home, if not, just approximate it. Description of their lifestyle, so that would be their life stage factor, basically. So if you have Rocky, then you would have like high work because he's crazy and running around all the time. If you had Wilson, all he does is walk to the litter box and the food bowl. So describe that. Say he only lays on this couch. Say he chases tennis ball 90% of the day. Life stage factor, you're going to give the actual number that you chose and why. So like 1.0, 2, whatever it might be. RER is, remember that chart, so you'll need the weight for that, and just write the number that you get for that. Once you fill this out, that's going to give me an idea of your dog or cat. And you're going to pick 3 foods. So one food is what you have at home. If you don't have the actual bag, then you can just look it up on the internet. You're going to need to fill out the following. So what name is it? Is it wellness, special, or therapeutic? Write down the 5 ingredients for me, the first 5 ingredients. The net weight, the cost of the bag, which is this math here. So that's why I'm going to send you a picture of that. What is the metabolizable energy? So that's on the bag of food. That would be under like caloric content. You're going to do DMB questions after you find what they are in the guaranteed analysis. So these 2 are the guaranteed analysis, find the protein and the fat. Then you're going to do removing the water from the equation. So DMB calculations for those. Then the DER. What do the feeding instructions say to actually give on the bag? And then what would your cost be for that food? You're going to do it 2 more times. So you can, if you want, maybe you've always wondered, oh, I wonder how Nutro would work for my dog, or I wonder how bad Alpo really is, and you want to research Alpo, you can do that. But one of them has to be your food that you're using now, and 2 have to be some sort of variety as far as what you want to pick. Once you do those 3 things, you're going to do this back here. I don't care if you type it or write it here. You're going to compare those 3 foods, and you're going to pick what would be the best for your pet. So I really want a lot of details here. You're going to think about the price, the ingredients. So put in there the corn versus rice, the mixed tocopherols versus BHA, BHT, the dry matter basis calculations, etc. Dyes. Really look into it and decide which one you think is best. We're going to work on this for the next 2 days, and then you can also work on it Wednesday if you need to. And I'm going to have it due for everyone Thursday by noon. So this will be due Thursday by noon. All right, if you have any questions, just shoot me a remind message.